Hi, everybody. My name's Nirodha, and this is Gita, who's with me right now. And we just wanted to talk a little bit about the path of love process.
Yeah, and Nirodha and I were talking about resilience earlier because it's an intense time, and resilience is this capacity that we can learn um, to shift our nervous system from this activated state of fight and flight into rest and repair and digest. And there is a certain suppleness and flexibility that we can learn in this process of path of love that is very helpful when we're faced with challenges inside of ourselves or with whatever life just currently throws at us. And so, Nirodha, I want to say a bit more about
Yeah,
path of
what this process does for people, and I've experienced it myself very deeply, and people who have been coming to staff and watched it happen again and again over decades now with participants, is it really supports this growth inside of having the capacity to stay with ourselves and making it, the priority really to be here with me and less out there with the old habitual behavior that we all have, the patterns we have of like, pushing away or seeking approval. There's a very short list of them all. But I like to look at it in terms of kind of re-looking at the boundaries of not being like this, I need my space, to more like I am here with myself inside. And I have this capacity to hold inside and thus slow down and actually hear this voice and see what's true for me. And if I choose to speak from that place. And that creates a certain kind of relaxation in people that I've experienced again and again, and you feel it in other people. And it really is something that we can focus on, and we can actually learn to grow that capacity in a lot of different states. So we can actually hold ourselves, soothe ourselves when we're getting a little bit overwhelmed, and come back to home again and again. And right in the middle of this is my heart, and it starts there.
Mm. Mm. Yeah, path of love is really like this very, very safe and communally held container where that exploration, how to feel myself, how to be true to myself, how to find goodness in here, even if there's, a wild storm happening on the outside sometimes, where that is being practiced and learned in a very profound and also lovely and also fun way. So if this speaks to you, come and join us in the beginning of November in Loveland, Colorado. Or if you have done this before or you have maybe even staffed, please check again if there's maybe somebody in your orbit who would really benefit from this and would be incredibly grateful to experience this community. And it's a good time to be in community right now. It really is.
And particularly for this path of love, I'm just thinking there is a special pricing going on leading up to, I think, 6 weeks from now when the next the process starts. So take a look at inside for yourself, and then check out the link that you'll find connected to this video, and then explore a little bit more if you like. And we really hope to see you there.
Thank you for your time. All right.